Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amar Ariantino. I am from TBIC and I'm in the fourth semester. Today we are going to, I am going to share to you about how to install and operating Duolingo app. Duolingo app is a free English learning application that we can download on the Play Store and also in the App Store. Duolingo is an educational application based on a simple game or interactive game, but also has several levels. Just like we play a game, in Duolingo app, we also get value or reward to every time we complete the game. The reward can be value with the symbol XP. Why do I call this interactive game? Because in my opinion, while we are playing a game, we can also discuss in the group. In that group, consists of Duolingo members who want to learn the same language and can exchange the information and knowledge with each other. So if you want to know how to install and also how to operate this app, so stay tuned. First, uh, of course, you must have a smartphone or gadget. Whatever you want to, you can use tablet or your smartphone. First, go to Play Store. And search Duolingo app. Because in this case I already download this app, so I have to open the app. Just click open. Next, if you already create an account, so you just have to click I already have an account. But in this case, I don't have any account, so I have to tap let's start. There are some options. If you want to learn English language, so you just have to tap English. But if you want to learn other languages, you can tap others. In this app, you not only learn English, but also you can learn other language. Tap English. Wait until the app finish loading. There is some question. How do you know about us? In this question, you are being asked about how do you know this app. If you know this app from media social, you can tap that. But if you know this app from television or radio station, you can tap. Basically, you can tap whatever you want. It's up to you. There are some question again. Why are you learn um, language? Okay, because this case we want to learn language to learn and increase our knowledge. So we tap what is that? Students here. Okay, you just need to tap continue. There are also some option. It's about target. If you want to learn 5 minutes a day, you tap casual. But if you want to learn 10 minutes a day, you tap what is that? Biasa. And then continue. And then tap this. Because you know English even a little bit. So this is a test that you have to do. Tap test. Start a test. Loading. There are some tests that you have to do. This is some example of the test. Saya sorry. The test not only in English but also both. You have to what's that? You have to translate the English text to Indonesia and you can translate the Indonesian to English both. But in this question adalah saya seorang laki-laki, so you have to switch that to English. So I am a boy. I am a man. She drinks. There are some question, guys. Anak perempuan dan anak laki-laki. Girls and boys. There is animation. It's quite interesting. Saya punya gaya garam dan air. I have salt and water.
My animals.
My animals.
Animals.
Oh, there is also question based on voice. So you have to listen carefully.
I
walk
walk.
and
She
walks.
walks.
Please tell me. He has a question.
Today or tomorrow? Tomorrow.
I go to Paris tomorrow.
The director wants coffee with milk.
So you have to listen carefully, guys. The director wants coffee. You have to.
He speaks about his career.
We know the cook
Feel. It is not enough. It. And
He eats here.
she. With my friend. She is at a conference.
We are a couple.
Some question until we finish. We are couple. Kami adalah.
The village.
Okay, the finish. We already finished the test. So you just need to tap continue. Okay, continue. Okay, basically there are some features that you can try. There is profile and also scores, but you need to log in using your account first. Okay, maybe that's all what I can share. Basically, we can use the application to study with a fun way, so that we can learn without having or being pressed or something. Thank you for watching to this video. I hope this video can help. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.